Good evening, everyone. And our team is Team 8. And I represent my team members Anurag, Dinesh, Manikanta, myself Srija, and Aishwarya. And our project is about automatic sensor child guard. This project is about critical safety of a child being locked in a car. So, in most of cases, accidentally when a child is locked in a car, uh, due to the lack of sufficient oxygen and exposure to high temperature, they sometimes may lead to death situation. So to overcome this, we proposed a system called automatic sensor child guard to create safe experience for child in the vehicle. And Aishwarya will continue. And I am going to tell about existing solutions of our project. And I am going to tell about existing solutions. Existing solutions are seatbelt sensors and AI radar systems. And seatbelt sensor is which detects the weight of the object when it is on the seat. And advanced radar and AI image system it senses single degree and every movement in the car for an object and proven. And the gaps in the existing solutions are it detects false items or false weight of an object which is not useful for us and the cost and complexity. And the proposed solution is we have proposed a solution with the low cost effective and it triggers an alarm when the child is in the car and sends an SMS through GSM to the person.
So the components we use in the ultrasonic sensor detects the movement, and the humidifier releases the smoke when there is a movement. And the software components are Arduino IDE. It is a platform to write codes and compile the codes and the software. And we use C program to run this code.
I am going to explain about advantages and disadvantages in this prototype. Advantages are when the child is locked in the car, then the person gets alert. GSM, by using GSM model, the person can alert and he gets phone call from the GSM model, and then it will send message to the person, and the man can get alert and he will come and he will rescue the child. Disadvantages, it triggers the small amount of substance also, and it triggers the moving particles. These are disadvantages, and this is our prototype. This is it.
Good afternoon, myself is Dinesh Kumar. I am going to explain the prototype of our project. This is we have to detect the child whether it is present or not. For this, we use the ultrasonic sensor inside the car. We place the ultrasonic sensor at the top place of the car so that it can cover the whole space in the present in the car. The Arduino access interface between the ultrasonic sensor and the user. The ultrasonic sensor detects the motion from the child and it sends the input to the Arduino, and the Arduino use the output through the GSM module and the buzzer. The buzzer triggers the motion detected, and the GSM module sends the SMS and call to the user who implanted the prototype inside the car. And we use it also in humidifier module in the system. Humidifier module is used to provide the oxygen to the child because there is a chance of death of the child due to the high temperature in the car. To decrease the high temperature and to decrease the oxygen levels, we use the humidifier module. The humidifier module converts the water into fog so that the fog can be breathable by the child, and as the fog is the low temperature, it cools down the car temperatures. And we use the regular for the power supply of the GSM module 900, and we use the battery for the power supply for the Arduino. Inside a car, we place an ultrasonic sensor. It is used to detect the motion. I am placing hand here so that it detects the position motion and it triggers the alarm, and it gives a SMS message to the user defined phone. That is here it detects the sends SMS that alert baby detected inside the car immediately. attention needed. This is the function of this is the working of this prototype.